I wanted to show you how the barrel of the reciprocator is worn out on this machine. This is a Brother 1204, and we're going to zoom into the reciprocator. The reciprocator is the white plastic portion in about the middle of the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push down the needle bar until the needle bar stud connects and stays into the reciprocator. Now this isn't what I'm talking about as far as bad. Now push down on the needle bar several times and you'll see that now the top is rocking sort of outward, as you could say, and the inner barrel, or the lower portion of that white piece, is rocking inward. This really does cause needle breaks, thread breaks. It causes a lot of problems, but what happens is your needle depth is never constant. If you're going one speed, it stays further down. If you go slower, it's further up, and you get, just various needle depths at various speeds. So it needs to be replaced with a new barrel. So this is what I wanted to show you that happens to these 1204 Brother machines.